Hello friends, this will be video number 2 about pickled potato. I show you a few things about it in the first video. Now I'm going to add some extra bits to it. The pickled potato, or as some call it, Sunchoke or Sunroot, grows in the spring, and it will be ready to harvest in autumn. In order to harvest, we need a tool like this, and we are gonna put it away from the roots because we don't want to damage the potatoes, and push on it and loosen the soil, and then get the potatoes out. Now I'm going to get the potatoes out of from one bush and do two others off the camera. So as you can see, I am pushing down away from the center and just moving the roots up, and then remove the stems and clear the way for searching for the potatoes. Now, if we go too close to where the stems are, then we may damage the potatoes. So I am trying to be careful. Now we are removing the stems. You can see some potatoes dropping down from the roots. Some of the potatoes, smaller ones, remain in the soil and always come up next year. So this is the almost 20 years now that I'm harvesting from these bushes, because the remaining potatoes inside the soil come up again and again every year. So I'm collecting the potatoes now, some large ones, some small ones. You gotta dig them off. If you're living in a cold area, you gotta dig them before the earth freezes. Then it will be impossible to dig them out. Now, as I said, I'm doing 3 bushes and getting the potatoes out of there, and now I can show you how much I collected from 3 bushes. Now what we are going to do is to wash them and separate the large ones and the small ones. Now for this is the large one, and these are the small ones. For large ones, we have to brush the soil off because the surface is rough and it's not easy to just wash them by water. But for the little ones, we just wash it and the soil will come off. So go in every corner and try to remove any soil that is remaining on the potato. And as you can see, the small ones are have a smooth surface, so they don't collect soil. They just wash them with water and they're clean. And In the first video I showed you how to make pickle with the little ones. Now sometimes there are bumps in there that are too close to each other and it's not easy to clean between them. As I'm going to show you here, you can see these two are very close and you can't actually floss them, so you have to cut one off so that you can clean between the two. So I'm taking one off. And now clean the soil that was between them. Okay, now I'm going to do the rest off the camera. As you can see, these are the large ones and those are the small ones, and this is for 3 bushes. And as I showed you before, we made the small ones, we made the pickle with the small ones, and this pickle helps you lose fat in your body. A combination of apple cider vinegar and pickled potato do wonders. Now for the larger ones, which is the subject of today's video, we put some parchment on a metal tray and put the pickled potatoes on top. I have already turned the oven on and preheated it, so it's ready to put these inside the oven. I'm trying to get the ones that are same size so that they will cook at the same time. If I put the little ones will cook faster than the larger ones, and that's not what we want. So the potatoes are ready to go into the oven, and we put them on the middle rack. And wait for them to get ready. Now every now and then we should have a look and poke them with a knife or something sharp to make sure to see if they're ready or not. These are still stiff, so you put them back and wait longer. Now we try again. I see that the bubbles and also some of them leaking, and they are soft enough, so they're baked and they're ready to be eaten. So now it's time to cut them into half and put them on the serving dish. It's famous that this snack, some have it as a snack, is very good with beer, and those who have it know that it helps you not to develop beer belly. So pickled potato and beer will help you avoid beer belly. If you heard that before, or if you've experienced it, please put a comment. It's a very good thing to have in your garden, because you only put some little potatoes in 1 year, and then every year you can harvest so much of this potato. So now we can add some salt. This is actually when you bake it in the oven, it becomes a little sweet. It's not like ordinary potato. Okay, they're ready. Enjoy.